been inviting me to Cowboy. Well, over there at 35W over here going south. And, south of Fort Worth. Pickup, pulling the car in tow on Downey. That's pulling double. And, you see a lot of that down here. Car dealers went up north, got cars or pickups or whatever autos, and then coming down this way, and probably taking them across the border and selling them down there or whatever. But first time I seen one like that, you know, usually they're pulling one, but not two. And got a lot of pet food on. Going down to by Houston there. Walmart DC there. So we got dogs and cats. And it's warm out here. Right now it's probably about 93 degrees out here. And that's just about 8 o'clock at night already. Dry down here too there, so happy trails, be safe, bye.